At only 295mm depth, slim body space saving. Adopts twin magnesium rods high quality standard, separately installed at the top of each tank. One single button pressed can automatically memorize and analyze your daily habits. Give you hot water only when you need it. Ultra thick puff is up to 27mm. Titanium coating UMC tank provides strong resistance to solvent acid and alkali corrosion. Offers higher heating efficiency, faster heating speed, and a larger water volume. Titanium heating element lifetime non-corrodible. There are more options to choose from.